Hi, welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you can expect to definitely learn something new. I'm Lolita. You may learn something new about a garden tip, a lifestyle hack, a plant-based recipe, a beauty DIY, which is what you're going to learn today. If you like this wrap, I'm going to show you how to make today. I'm going to show you how to make 3 head wraps, or crowns as I like to call them, because you just feel like a queen in them. Keep watching, subscribe, like, and share. Keep watching. 3 head wraps coming up next. So this is the first wrap. Make sure you fold it in half. I'm going to put the link so you know which one I'm talking about. Make sure you fold it in half and put it evenly on you. Okay. And I like to go this way, in the back, so that all of this is covered up. And you can wear your ears in or out, it's up to you. In the winter, they're definitely covered for me. And then you just twist. Look while you're doing your head wrap, or your crown as I like to call it. You don't want this to be too tight. Not too tight, it doesn't need to be. You go all the way to the end, and look what you're doing. Keep twisting the same way you are. All the way around. And then just tuck and position it. And it's really quite just this simple, you all. I know you can do it. So you can have your ears out. Then you have to reposition everything. I like mine like this. And you definitely have to wear earrings. Oh my goodness. And make sure that this is tucked in. This fabric is so nice, I love it. You have to look all around when you put it on. Make sure it's in place and positioned, and have it down a little bit forward. Oh, see, you don't want to be looking like that. So make sure it's tucked all the way in. Head wrap number 1. Okay, you all, number 2. This. Make sure all of your edges are covered up if you don't want them exposed. Bring it around. You really need to brush this back here if you don't want it out. If it's going to be out, braid it or do something with it. Twist it loosely and neatly. This is so comforting when you have on a head wrap. It really is fast too. If your hair is not the way you want it to be that day, put on a wrap, rock it, put your makeup on, your earrings. Twist again. And tuck. This is almost the same as the first one. See? You just tuck. So you'll have to go and check to make sure everything is in place and neat. But this is it. Very nice. I don't particularly like it right in the center. I like it in the center because when I'm driving, it's in the way. So I put it kind of off to the side. And that's it. You feel good about yourself. At least I feel good about myself. I do find that the lighter the fabric, the more the lines show up or the seams on the end, so you have to really be careful about when you tuck. Let's go for the next one. Okay, remember to center it. This final wrap is the one that I get stopped and asked about the most on the street. And you can really rock it. It can look almost like a hat. Let's do this. Okay. In the back. Still covering this up. You can have it off kind of to the side a little bit. And it has to do with wrapping. You know, all these creases need a different kind of look. Bring it back around. See what I'm doing? And you just tuck it someplace and it gives another look. Again, I'm going to find somewhere to put it. I'm just going to put it where I tuck the other one. And this is where the creativity part comes. And this is it. But you know, you cannot wear a head wrap and not rock your earrings, okay? Can you do this and feel like a queen? The queen that you are? Yes, you are. Turn all the way around. And it's gonna always be different. It is never gonna be the same. I'm going to put the length so you can use this fabric. It's all about the fabric and the length. So peace and blessings. Thank you so much for watching Changes for a Lifetime. I'll see you next time. This is Lolita. Bye for now.